Muslim world today disbelievers for ruling with the laws other than the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What I can say for definite is that they are sinful. They are sinful. As for declaring them disbelievers, then I have no knowledge of who they are, what they rule by, why do they rule by these laws. We would have to investigate Nawaz Sharif. We would have to investigate who's the ruler of Bangladesh now. Is it a woman?
Yeah, Hasina.
Hasina still in power. So we would have to investigate Hasina in Kenya. He's a Muslim ruler. Idi Amin was a Muslim, but we would have to investigate Idi Amin. Is he Muslim?
Already dead.
Pardon?
Already dead.
He's dead, yes.
He's dead in Jeddah.
So you have, yeah, I know he's dead. I'm saying, in Somalia you have Sheikh Sharif.
Sharif is, there's another president.
Yeah, but Sheikh Sharif is a Muslim.
He called Al-Shabaab, he called them.
For meeting.
He said, this is the book, let's come and
consult
on this book.
Yes.
And they refused.
They refused. So, you'd have to investigate each ruler. Even Bashar al-Assad, the scholars declared him disbeliever, saying he's from the Nusayri sect. Now the Nusayri sect are disbelievers. There's a video of Shaykh Ramadan al-Bhuti giving a diplomatic answer regarding that. Someone brought that to my attention and said, you respect Shaykh Ramadan al-Bhuti, how do you explain? Because nowadays people have expect you to answer everything from every angle. So I said, regarding Shaykh Ramadan al-Bhuti, I'm not aware of the detail of why he mentioned the Alawis as being Muslim, but what is known that they are disbelievers, kuffar. But Bashar al-Assad claims he's a Muslim and he is not a Nusayri. So even then, when declaring him a disbeliever, scholars would have to give a detailed verdict why we have declared Bashar al-Assad as a disbeliever. If they do not do so, look at the corruption this leads to. The corruption it leads to is the revolutions that are taking place in the Muslim world today. Bloodshed. It's easy for people to say today we support revolutions. Yes, in the comfort of your homes in Leicester and Birmingham and London, you can support revolutions, writing on Facebook, on Twitter. But ask those people who went out in the protests in the streets of Damascus and were fired at by unknown snipers, and their brothers die and their father dies and family members die, and then they are arrested by the police. Ask those people whether they are in favor of revolutions today. Yes, we can say we are in favor of the Mujahideen, and we are in favor of this, and we are in favor of that, but let's be real. Like Anjum Chaudhry, who sits in the comfort of his home, he's given airtime on Newsnight. They'll never place me with Jeremy Paxman on Newsnight. It will be interesting to see. But they will place Anjum Chaudhry on Newsnight, and then in the comfort of the studio of BBC is supporting terrorism and supporting different things. Yes, in that context it's fine. Ask those 3 girls who they say have run off to ISIS territory whether they are comfortable there now or not. When the reality hits them, when they reach ISIS territory and food is not reaching them, when they are considered concubines by the Wahhabi paymasters, these are realities, practical life realities, which any youngster considering to go to ISIS should have a word with me before going. These are realities. If you cannot even jog around the block and you want to go to a war zone,